Goodbye, my almost lover. Goodbye, my hopeless dream. I'm trying not to think about you. Why can't you just let me be? So long, my loveless romance. My back has turned on you. I should have known you bring me heartache. Almost lovers always do. Yeah, it was good. We did everything for one another. We've cussed, we stole, we even fought for each other. And yeah, I was cool when you told me you hate me, because I knew no other woman would ever replace me. And yeah, I know our love was falling on the ground, but it was fading for a purpose, because now we at the top, we moved to the surface. You never did tricks like them clowns in the circus. I'm glad I never lost you, because if I did, I'd be lost myself without you. And I know what I did when I broke your heart in two. One half was for me, and the other was for you. I really liked you. You was like a dream come true. Matter of fact, it was more than like I really loved you. And for a long time I thought we'd be together. But I guess like they said, true love and fairy tales don't last forever. You said they do, but they don't, because we're not together. And I remember when you first told me you love me. Now you like it's whatever. What happened to the old days when we used to mess with each other? I was like your mother, your sister, and your personal lover. I stayed faithful, did what you wanted with no hesitation. And you never took me anywhere on no special occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's, my birthday. That was the worst day. I felt pain in the worst way. Knowing that the nigga that I loved from the bottom of my heart didn't even give a fuck. Bullshit, clueless. How could he do this shit? Telling me he loved me, telling me what he gonna do, then do the opposite. And yeah, he made me think about the vandalism shit. But I realized I'm sexy, I'm fly, and I'm a bad bitch. And I can get any nigga that I want, because I do that shit. Nah, fuck that, I does it.